Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've decided to come out with this video today because I saw today the market, it opened quite red. So I was a bit excited to see some of my favorite tech stock red. That's why I'm eager to share with you and wanted to know if there's a chance to add any shares. When I'm trying to record the video, the market in fact actually turned not so red, and some of the counters even turned green now. But since I'm already online, we can just take a look at the VIX index, the volatility index, as well as the SPY to see their price action, and probably to also share and to see how it will turn out to be in the next few days. Before I begin, just want to highlight again that I'm not a financial advisor. All these are just for sharing and it's purely for entertainment. Please do your own due diligence before you invest your money in any stocks or shares. And your money is precious, please don't waste your money. Let us begin by looking at the VIX index today. In VIX index today, you can see here, over this green candle here. At the market open, it spiked actually up to about $17. And now it is at $16.50. It's still a long way to go. The volatility was at 60 back in April during the major correction. Now we are only at 16, 17. It's a long way to go. So we are not expecting any crash to happen to the market or major correction yet for now. If volatility go back down to 15, I will assume that we may be able to keep the bull trend. But having said that, there's a lot of news about this Friday, what the Fed has got to say about the interest rates. Everyone was very anxious about these upcoming meetings. That's why you see a lot of volatility yesterday and today. Let's take a look at SPY now. So SPY today was market open, it went down to about 632 here, 632. And then now it is at 636. It went back up a bit, and now it's hovering around this range at 635, 636. Today I will also share a bit more of my Tier B watch list. Why Tier B? I would like to classify this Tier B watch list because these are some of the stocks that I'll be keen to buy when the price is right and after more research about the company. Right now I do not have 100% conviction because most of them are still overvalued and I have not done enough research yet. We'll start with the one with the biggest drop today. First one, a CRWW, CoreWeave. This is one of the AI company, and I think quite a few of the gurus in the YouTube are looking at this one as well. I can see that after the IPO, prices went up to the top $187. And then I think last Friday, that's the day when all the initial investors fell. So at this point, we dropped. We are now right here at $88. I have still need to do a lot more research on this. So let's see how it goes. You never know. Now the selling pressure is very high. You can see a lot of people are selling this stock for now. Next, Palantir. Palantir, the high is at 190. Ever since the high on last Tuesday, about a week ago, the investor has been selling for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Big drop from 190 all the way now today. Today lowest was close to 142. Wow, that's insane. Yesterday I was a bit tempted to actually sell a put for Palantir, but I control myself a bit because the valuation is still quite high at 150. Even you talk about the forward PE, everything was still very, very ridiculously high. We continue to monitor Palantir. Palantir ever happened to drop below, we close to about, I would say about 120. In my opinion, 120 may be a support for Palantir in the short term. Then I may be tempted to add some shares or sell some puts. Spotify, good company, but the share price is very high. Or I will put this on hold. SoFi, I do hold some shares in my other account for SoFi, and has been doing very well. My average cost was probably around the $13, $14 back in other accounts. I will wait for SoFi to drop lower. Today has dropped quite a bit as well. You can see from here, $21. for my own account. Yeah, I apologize for not speaking well because my throat isn't feeling so good today. Don't have to explain so much about Tesla. So a lot of people has made a lot of money through Tesla, but the fundamental recently has not been very good. Let's put this one on hold first and see how it goes in the future. Unless the price drop really low, for me it has to be below $200 for me to consider, buying some Tesla shares again. Amazon is in the main list, AMD as well. Let's talk about AMD. AMD for the past few days has been dropping quite a bit. There's actually a good support around this area. I would say around this, you can see 158. I feel the price may continue to go down some more. And if the price drop more, I may start to add shares. In fact, I can probably add a bit today, but I missed the boat. I like to get it below 160. Probably I'll just put a limit order to buy later on. If it hit below 160. Next, Netflix as well. Netflix has been very high. Some even consider this company as a magnificent 8. So it's still quite high. The other one that I would like to go through is Fortinet. Fortinet, like CrowdStrike, is another cybersecurity company, which is also fundamentally strong company. So I did get some shares during here in my account, $70 when during the big drop here. So it's a good time to add over here. So today it went to $80 again, $79, $80. Next, let us take a quick look at our account currently. So today, unfortunately I have not made any trades. We can see over here, still the same amount of shares allocated. Not much movement for my account. Let's see how the market responds when market opens tonight, and probably on Friday, the Jackson Hole event. After the Jackson Hole event, we'll see what's the outcome, and I can make another video. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to click the like button if you enjoyed the video so far, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.